Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So today we're going to be reacting to Pooyan Mokhtari taking his Koenigsegg Jesko out on the famous Abu Dhabi Yas Marina track. So this track is very famous, known all around the world for taking the best hypercars and supercars out there. So the videos he was uploading on his story looked like a whole vibe. The whole experience of getting to take your hypercar out on a track. It just goes to show if you have a goal in life and you actually achieve it, you can actually have this type of fun. And today I thought, why not, let me just react to him. So he actually used to live in London and didn't have much of a car collection. However, he has literally been purchasing cars after cars recently. He now has a collection of a Lamborghini Aventador S, a Ferrari 8-door Superfast, a Rolls Royce Cullinan, and now the $3 million Koenigsegg Jesko, and many more supercars that we probably don't know about. So he loves actually wrapping his supercars and hypercars in crazy colors. So with the Koenigsegg Jesko, he's actually wrapped it in a chrome gold. The same happened with his McLaren Senna and his Rolls Royce Cullinan too. And the Lamborghini Aventador S and Ferrari 8-door Superfast he also has isn't just any standard ones. They've all been upgraded with exhaust, full interior changes. So just to give you guys a bit of information about the Koenigsegg, it's a $3 million hypercar, competes with Bugatti and Pagani, and produces around 1,600 brake horsepower depending on what type of fuel you actually use in the car. Let's get into the video now, everyone, and react to Pooyan taking the car out on track.
I just arrived to the richest city in the world, Abu Dhabi, and I'm going for a track. We're going to have fun with the Jesco. Jesco, let's go, Jesco. Epa, we will have fun. Yas Marina, Yas Island. See you there. Cheers. Let's go, Jesco. Jesco. Let's go, let's go. We are in the most expensive truck in the world. It cost, I think, $1 billion to build this amazing truck thanks to UAE government. Wow. Look. We are ready. Let's go. Just let's go.
Let's go, Pooyan. Let's go. Yes. Wow. Wow. Fuck. Wow. Yes. Wow.
Bye, Jessico. See you later.
What did you guys think about that track experience? So I thought the sound of this car is just so amazing. It's got that V8 twin turbo engine sound, and overall it just looked really fun. Now the car in particular I think is a very amazing car. The way the doors effortlessly open with a press of a button, and the interior as well, the way the dial on the dash actually rotates alongside with the steering wheel whilst you're turning. All these new features about the Koenigsegg are just unbelievable. Now to actually buy a Koenigsegg, everyone, it's actually invite only. Koenigsegg is actually owned by a private family. You have to have something about yourself in order to be given an allocation to actually purchase the car, a story to tell the brand. What do you guys also think about the color of this Koenigsegg Jesko? Now I know a lot of people are in two minds as it is wrapped in chrome gold. However, I feel like it does what Puyan actually wants. So it's a good marketing tool for him, for his social media platforms to grow even more. And it's also beneficial for Koenigsegg as well. No one in the Koenigsegg family have actually wrapped a car in this crazy color. This is definitely something I would like to experience in the future, going out on this track myself, and hopefully I can bring you guys with me. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, and I'll catch you on my next video.